Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member. Her name is Ashley and she writes, "Hello, hi Ashley. I just love your videos. My wedding is soon. It's approaching fast. We already have 4 children and sadly, budget seems to have gone out of the window." Oh no, Ashley. I need to make this beauty on a budget. Please help. We are doing white, cream, gold, and very light pink. Any help would truly be amazing. All right, Ashley, we see your tight budget, and we're going to try and show you exactly how to create this beautiful, blushing bride, tall rose centerpiece on a budget. All right, are you ready for this? Okay, let's go. So in Ashley's letter to us, she requested a little review of how we created our Dollar Tree $3 vase. So what we did is we have 2 Pfizer glasses as well as a fishbowl from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to simply attach them with our favorite thing, E6000. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. You just simply put your E6000 on one of the bases, attach the fishbowl, put a book or I use a dictionary on top of it to keep it secure. Let it dry for at least 4 hours before then attaching the top and repeating those same steps. All right, let that sit aside for about 3 to 4 hours and you should be ready to create your beautiful centerpiece. Now, for today's look, we're going to use a hurricane vase as well as a margarita glass from the Dollar Tree. Same simple steps. We're going to attach it using our E6000. Let it dry for at least 3 to 4 hours before you start constructing your centerpiece. This next step is absolutely optional. You can use the vase filler or you can leave it nice and empty, whichever one works for you. Remember, we give you the plan, you make it your own. So before we attach our 5-inch styrofoam ball to the opening of our hurricane vase, I'm going to go ahead and put about 4 to 6 Dollar Tree white roses right in the center so that from whatever angle you look at the centerpiece, it is beautiful and as professional as we can make it. Now we are ready to attach our 5-inch styrofoam ball with our Dollar Tree roses on the bottom to our hurricane vase with just a touch of hot glue. Now it's time for some professional quick tips. Now, you will notice that all of my centerpieces, I tend to have different lengths and stems. Well, the way I have that is I never throw old stems away. The Dollar Tree stems are like the best. I love them. So I simply cut them and attach it to the ends of my blossoms. Very simple. In addition to that, you can always pull one of the blossoms off and attach one that you desire to add another layer of definition or, in this case, another color. So always remember that too. This next step is optional as well. I'm just using some 24 gauge floral wire. I'm going to go ahead and loop it around the end of the stem to give myself a stem extension. And finally, we're going to take our gem garland. We're going to go ahead and loop our 24 gauge wire right through it and create another extension. At this point, you have the option to attach a few strands of gem garland to your beautiful blushing centerpiece. Well, Ashley, what do you think? Absolutely gorgeous. I just love how it turned out. It's going to bring that extra special beauty to any reception, as well as, if you like, use this during your ceremony on your altar. It would be stunning. Well, guys, I hope you liked this week's episode. If you did, by all means, like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And don't forget, if you have a question or if you just want to send us some words of encouragement, we would absolutely love that. I myself, MissPlanIt, answer all of our questions in our comment section. So be sure, if you have a question, to put it down in the comment section or just say, hey, good job. I love that. It just really pushes us to be better and better every time. In addition to that, you can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget our fantastic Pinterest page. In addition to that, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, I don't know what you're waiting for. Get on there, get those rebates, guys. It's very simple. Go down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Our time always goes by so fast, but before we go, I want to remind you that all of the links to all of the supplies that we used in all of our projects are always in the description below. Just click on that little button, I believe it says show more, and you will have all of the links to all of the supplies right there at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got it. I tell you exactly where it came from. You don't have to wonder how much the project costs. It's right there in description. All of our projects have that, so that you can create the wedding or event of your dreams and know exactly how to budget it. In addition to that, don't forget to head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click on that little icon in the corner. It'll take you right there so that you can get more cost-saving tips, more ideas. It's just so much there for you, including a free resource library. So head on over there, check out the website, and that is also where you can request, put in your project request. You just simply click on the project request tab. Oh, that's a tongue twister. Follow the very simple steps, and it will be right off to me, and I will take a look at it. I will tell you, please, please, please send your request off at least 6 months in advance. It's so difficult for me to tell someone no, but our schedule fills up so fast. Well, with that, guys, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt.